Alright everybody, welcome back. So today we are looking at a 2021 Cadillac Escalade ESV Sport. It's a 6.2 liter V8 engine. It's rear wheel drive. And here are the Carfax. We're going to pull it up for you guys really fast. So right here you can see 5 service history records, 1 open recall, 2 previous owners. And it's got the last reading at 21,100 miles. Okay, so this is a brand new car. It's a 2021. It came with these security guard lights. Something special, I guess, is different. I'm gonna just do a walk around of this specific car. I'm not really gonna give you too many details about the Escalade or the Cadillac. I'm just gonna show this car in particular. Like for example, right here, there might be something minor, a minor dent. Let me see if I can get it up on the camera. Kind of right there if you see it. But nothing crazy. I'm just gonna do the exterior first. Anything you see on it, it's got washed yesterday, but you know, in Florida, it rains, even though we got the warehouse. Okay. So for the most part, that's the only thing I can see physically on the car, was that little minor dent there. I'll just show you guys all the nitty-gritty details. You can see them. Here's the door panel. Here's the seat with the step up. Here's the seat again. I'm gonna hop right in. Start her up. So we got a lot of features here on the door. Once you close it, you can see you got the seat warmer, seat cool. Got the lock mechanism. We can make the car go down or up, which is a really nice feature. Most of the new cars have. Here's the steering wheel, center console, all that good stuff. Then right here we have our top dash. We can close the panel roof, we can close the sunroof. Sunroof is nice with the panel. Of course, we have dynamic speakers in the headrest, dynamic speakers all over through the car, and that's a really nice car. Let me see if we can open it. I'll show you how, but for now, just give you that trunk space right there. You can open up the back seat. Here's the back seat. You can see the mechanics on the step go work and everything. Okay. Sunroof's open. I'll show you how to close it now. But let's go ahead and close the trunk with this button right here. Okay. And from the inside, so there you go. That's the startup. That's the interior. Go ahead and open the hood for you guys. Here you can see the engine bay. Everything looks clean, beautiful, as it should be. Okay. And that's a wrap on the Cadillac. I actually really like that detail right there. And then you got the screen for the head-up display. I think that was the airbag, and the car dropped a little bit. But there you have it. It's 2021 Cadillac Escalade.